This is a demonstration of how to prepare the telescope to get on your first target. First, check that the weather meets the criteria for opening given in the observer's contract and summarized in the daily report contract. Our content management system has a checklist for observers in the 2.1 meter telescope section with more detailed information that you should consult. The platforms are down, bridge is down, the dome is stowed at 6 hours, our relative humidity is 80% and rising, winds are calm, the telescope is already powered up from the console. I'm going to open the dome slit and simultaneously raise the upper curtain. This will clear any debris off the slit and dump any water off the curtain. I hear water coming off the upper curtain. It's been raining a lot this week. When the dome curtain clears the telescope, I can open the mirror cover and extend the baffle tube. All right, I can now open the mirror cover. The mirror cover can only be opened at zenith distance greater than 50 degrees to protect the chain and sprocket drive mechanism. I'll extend the baffle tube. All right, I'll now go into the control room and select our target star. For this demonstration, I'm going to try a zenith star at K5 643. I'll click go. See, the dome needs to be at 21 hours, so I'll go ahead and move it now. We're close enough to the zenith that dome alignment is probably not that critical, but I'll go ahead and get it in the right position. We're in the northeast quadrant where the dome sometimes sticks because of a dip in the rail, but it looks like we're going to make it through that. If it does stick, back up and try again. Now we're within an hour of the target dome azimuth, so I will follow telescope dome automation in the control room. In light field, I need to unblock the filter. And there's our target star. The pointing is pretty good. It's a little off in declination, which has to do with the gear backlash. So I'm not going to bother to reset zeros on that. I'll set follow telescope. Dome automation is now engaged. It's going to move to the left to finish off the move. For focusing the telescope, I'm going to search for a dimmer star. It's almost impossible to focus on a bright star where there's saturation and significant scattering off of the secondary vanes because I'm trying to fit a Gaussian point spread function to something that's not Gaussian.